But Deborah Sampson, Gene Freds, and Paul Revere. The world is ready for the next scene. Hi, I'm Ben Wilford Feltelasis, founder and CEO of Pineapple. Pineapple is like Apple, it's just a lot more crappier. Yeah, it's a lot more. I think it's a lot more crappy. We have tried to introduce a new electronic. The Pineapple microwave. It's amazing. It's like a regular microwave, but a lot more crappier. So, here's what the store looks like. Put that down. You say what? Never had it's a microwave, so you say everything about microwaves.
Everything about microwaves.
That's an annoying employee. So, yeah, this is our basic studio, the Pineapple Studio, my boys.